Are you or someone you love thinking about getting a new car, but worried about finding something that's safe, comfortable, and easy to drive as the years go by? The truth is, not every SUV is created equal. Some are too big, too complicated, or just not senior friendly. But the good news is, there are several SUVs that stand out because they're designed with comfort, safety, and ease of use in mind. Today, we're counting down the 8 best SUVs perfect for seniors to buy without hesitation. These are vehicles that make everyday driving easier, reduce stress, and provide peace of mind for years to come. Number 1, the Subaru Forester. This is a favorite among older drivers, and the reason is simple: visibility. With its tall windows, thin pillars, and upright driving position, you don't feel boxed in. Parking lots, intersections, and highways feel far less intimidating when you can clearly see what's around you. Every Forester also comes standard with all-wheel drive, which is rare for this class. That means rain, snow, or slippery roads aren't as stressful. Inside, Subaru keeps things simple. Large buttons, easy-to-read gauges, and comfortable seats that don't require climbing up or crouching down to get in. Subaru's EyeSight system adds adaptive cruise control and lane keeping, which are like having a second set of eyes on long drives. And because Subaru owners are known to keep their cars for over a decade, the Forester has a strong reputation for lasting well into retirement years. Number 2, the Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 isn't just popular. It's consistently one of the best-selling SUVs in the world. And for seniors, it's an easy choice. It's right-sized, large enough to feel sturdy and safe, but compact enough to park in tight spots. Toyota offers both gas and hybrid models, and the hybrid is especially appealing because it delivers outstanding fuel economy. Fewer trips to the pump is always a plus. Inside, you get wide-opening doors, supportive seats, and a quiet ride that makes road trips less tiring. Toyota's Safety Sense package comes standard with automatic emergency braking, lane departure alerts, and adaptive cruise. And perhaps the best part? Toyota's reputation for bulletproof reliability means you won't be stuck with surprise repair bills. For seniors who want something worry-free and economical, the RAV4 is a home run. Number 3, the Honda CR-V. Practicality is the name of the game here. The CR-V is famous for having one of the largest cargo areas in its class, perfect for groceries, golf clubs, or even mobility devices. The cabin is designed with ease of use in mind: low step-in height, wide doors, and seats that feel supportive without being stiff. Seniors often praise the CR-V's ride quality because it strikes the right balance. Smooth over bumps, but not floaty. Honda also keeps the controls simple, with large knobs and easy-to-read screens, so you're not fighting with overcomplicated menus. Add in Honda's stellar reputation for longevity, and it's easy to see why the CR-V has been a go-to choice for retirees for decades. Number 4, the Hyundai Santa Fe. For seniors who want something a little larger but not overwhelming, the Santa Fe hits a sweet spot. It's technically a mid-size SUV, but it drives like a compact. Comfortable, stable, and easy to handle. Hyundai has stepped up its game with upscale interiors, supportive seats, and features that are usually reserved for luxury brands. Heated seats, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise. You can get all of it, often for less money than competitors. And let's not forget Hyundai's warranty, one of the longest in the industry. That's a big deal for peace of mind, especially for seniors on a fixed budget. Whether you choose gas, hybrid, or plug-in hybrid, the Santa Fe provides plenty of options for different lifestyles without overcomplicating things. Number 5, the Kia Sportage. Closely related to the Hyundai Tucson, the Sportage has been redesigned and is now one of the most senior-friendly SUVs out there. The first thing you notice is the seating position. You sit up high with a clear view of the road, and you don't have to bend or twist awkwardly to get comfortable. The cabin layout is straightforward, with well-placed buttons and intuitive controls. The suspension is tuned for comfort, making everyday driving smooth and relaxed. Kia also includes advanced safety features as standard, so you're not paying extra for peace of mind. And because Kia has built a strong reputation for value, the Sportage offers more features for the money compared to many competitors. for seniors looking for comfort, safety, and affordability in one package. This SUV makes a lot of sense. Number 6. The Ford Escape. The Escape is one of those SUVs that feels familiar right away. No learning curve, no complicated systems. For seniors, that's a big advantage. It drives more like a car than a bulky SUV, which means parking and maneuvering are stress-free. Inside, the seats are well cushioned and the cabin is designed to be quiet, reducing fatigue on longer drives. Ford offers the Escape in gas, hybrid, and plug-in hybrid versions, so you can choose based on your driving habits. The hybrid is especially popular with seniors who don't want to think about fuel costs. Ford's Copilot 360 safety system adds features like blind spot monitoring and automatic emergency braking, giving drivers extra confidence. For anyone who wants something easy to drive and easy to live with, the Escape checks a lot of boxes. Number 7. The Nissan Rogue. Comfort is where the Rogue shines. Nissan's zero-gravity seats are designed to reduce fatigue and pressure points, which is a huge plus for seniors with back or joint concerns. The Rogue also has wide rear doors, making it easier to help passengers or load items into the back. The ride quality is smooth and composed, and the cabin is insulated to keep out noise. Nissan also includes ProPilot Assist, a system that helps with steering, acceleration, and braking on the highway. It doesn't drive for you, but it does make long trips feel far less stressful. With its blend of comfort, space, and technology, the Rogue is one of the most approachable SUVs for retirees. Finally, number 8, the Toyota Highlander. For seniors who want more space for family visits or road trips, the Highlander is a standout. It's a 3-row SUV, but it's still manageable in size, not as massive as some full-size SUVs. The driving position is high and commanding. The seats are comfortable and supportive, and the ride is smooth and quiet. Toyota offers both gas and hybrid versions, with the hybrid being especially appealing for its excellent fuel economy. Safety comes standard, and Toyota's reliability means this is an SUV you can count on for years. Whether you're hauling family, traveling with friends, or just like the confidence of driving something bigger, the Highlander delivers. So, what's the big takeaway? All 8 of these SUVs, the Subaru Forester, Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, Hyundai Santa Fe, Kia Sportage, Ford Escape, Nissan Rogue, and Toyota Highlander, share the qualities that matter most to seniors. They're safe, comfortable, easy to drive, and built to last. The right SUV for seniors isn't about speed or luxury badges. It's about reducing stress, maximizing comfort, and making every drive feel simple and enjoyable. Whether you want something compact and nimble like the Escape, or spacious and family-ready like the Highlander, there's an option here that fits perfectly. If you or someone you know is in the market for a senior-friendly SUV, these 8 should be at the very top of the list. They're practical, dependable, and designed to keep life on the road safe and comfortable. Exactly what you want in the years ahead.